Be a 2-2 runner off first. And the pitch is grounded right side. It nearly hits Sweeney. It's into right field for a base hit. Stopping at second and now going to third. Is everyone going for an extra base and are in there as the throw ends up going over to short and Fryman. So Dominguez ends up at second.
Here comes the pitch, and that's skied
in the indoor facility is starting. You know, what better place to come?
3-1 is down and in ball.
With runners on first and second. First pitch to the switch hitter batting left. He hits a ground ball through the right side, and that's a base hit. Coming around Rosario, he's being waved around. The throw will be cut off, and he slides into the plate safely, and the Patriots have the lead again. RBI single for Jasson Dominguez makes it 3-2 in the fourth. Hamill allowed 6 hits, 4 walks, and he had 6 strikeouts after striking out the side in the third. Here's the pitch. Runner goes from first, and that is down and inside for a ball to make it 2-2. And Dominguez, without a throw, slides into second base. Gone the pitch. That's hitting the air pretty shallow center field. Dominguez got a beat on it. He's coming in towards his right a little bit, and he's under it, and he makes the catch for the final out.